Hey everybody, today we are going to be visiting the Ethel chocolate factory and the Cactus Garden tour. They have a little walkthrough. We'll take a look at that. It's just a short little walkthrough of how they make chocolates. Annette and her sister are going to be doing a chocolate tasting, and they're going to get to learn how to taste chocolate, how to appropriately enjoy chocolate. We won't be able to show you that because they don't allow video taping during it. But we are going to be showing you some of the Cactus Garden here. Right now, Laura and Annette are back here behind these windows doing their chocolate tasting thing. We did one of the tastings and make your own ice cream flavor at the Turkey Hill factory. That was pretty awesome. While the ladies are in there doing their chocolate tasting, and take a little self-guided tour of the factory here. The large round vat here is where they make their satin creams, their butter creams, lots of interesting chocolates. They're not making any chocolate right now, but this is where all the magic happens, right here at the factory. We'll take a look at those chocolate-covered apples. And there's the cooling tables where they let the chocolate cool. It smells really good in here. It smells like chocolate. And as you can see, these are the melting tanks. Those are in the back of the kitchen, and that's where they drench things like the satin creams and the caramels by passing them through a curtain of milk or dark chocolate. And everything goes through the cooling tunnels here, and that makes it smooth and creamy and a nice glossy appearance. It takes 45 minutes to cool the chocolates. It's not a ride, unlike Hershey, where we have been many times and taken the Hershey chocolate ride. This one I've actually had to walk. And here's the packing line where all the chocolates get packed up into the boxes. So that's a little basic look at the Ethel chocolate factory tour. It's not a lot of stuff being made right at the moment, but hey, check out this giant box of chocolates. It's pretty good. It smells amazing in here. Now the other part of the Ethel chocolate factory is they do have this really impressive Cactus Garden. Right now the ladies are getting their chocolate tasting on. They teach you a little bit about tasting chocolate, different varieties of chocolate, and I'm sure that's going to be pretty cool. And then we're probably going home with a suitcase full of chocolate. So Annette is out of the chocolate tasting. Annette, did you have fun?
It was good.
It's a good time?
It was very informative. It was interesting, very interesting. And the candy was so good.
Did you enjoy tasting everything?
I did, very much so. So much that I came out and bought some.
So what'd you do in the tasting?
We watched a slideshow about the whole history of Ethel who she was, all her recipes and her family.
Did you learn how to taste chocolate?
I mean, come on. I know how to taste chocolate.
You can see they're all lit up, primed for Christmas lighting. Pretty sizable little area of garden, Cactus Garden here. It's kind of a neat little addition to the outside of the chocolate factory here. Don't have this in Hershey. The Joshua Tree, just like U2's album name. This is it. Fascinating bit of trivia here. There's over 400 species of cacti and fauna in this cactus garden. Who is Ethel, you ask? Apparently she was the matriarch of the Mars company, you know, Mars bars, M&Ms, all those guys before Hershey bought them out. Ethel was one of the founding folks. So that's a quick tour of the daytime look at the cactus garden. Interesting to see so many different varieties of cactus. It's something you don't get to see necessarily everywhere in every botanical garden.